big bad champion sound called NitraTek from Long Island, New York.
Oh God, I wanna listen to the champion sound. NitraTek Sound. I love NitraTek Sound and I won't be shy to tell you this right now, right here. But I love this sound and I tell no lie. If I don't hear it play, I think I'm gonna say I should take a big sound right now. Grooving again. Whoa, I can see NitraTek play so right. I should take a big sound right now. Grooving again. Whoa, I can see NitraTek play so right. Sound is a gamble, but it's a sound I'm gonna play. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Though it's a champion and I know I won't lose my love for the big time sound. No, oh, NitraTek Sound on the place. Oh my gosh, it's no disgrace. It's a champion sound, it's the ruling sound. No sound can get us down. Champion sound, I kill sound right now. Our boom sound right now. Whoa, I can see NitraTek